Now I will show about file is corrupt and resume downloading Android Kotlin 3 and display status on ProgressBar. Uh, the user interface has three elements: a button and text view and ProgressBar. Now I start the start the app and run it. Clear locate and click this button, and it will show file name and the status value, and the progress bar will move. Okay. That is permitted to download file here. Content and URL address and file directory path and subdirectory and broadcast identify string. So when you finish download, you will create the subdirectory here and the store file here, file name and the subdirectory. And broadcast identify string here. Uh, Download thread packet as a class. Uh, Download thread here, and that is a single thread here. Issue open policy permit all, then it can get file from internet. And the parameter here, and each item we will get file on this function and send parameter to this function, and it will return uh, 0 to 102. If successful, it will return 101. If fail, will return 102. And it will send broadcast to user interface. That is send broadcast just status integer and the file name. The download file function here, file URL address and the store path in the subdirectory. You will get the last one for file name, and if the directory length more than 0, you will separate to each subdirectory and create directory for each directory. So you will create directory here. The command just can create a single directory, could not create multi-directory. So you will should separate to one by one. That is the full path of download store file. If exits return true. If the first time it will store on temp file name here. If correct, it will check the temp file length. And you will create a connection to get the file length here and compare the file length and the temp file length. If equal, will rename temp file to store file and return true. If store temp file more than the source file length, you will delete and download again and create a connection. Set the range for download. If if correct. Okay. Now, if connection okay, you will create a temp file here and as the output string and seek to here the length. Is URL connection input string here and read it byte array. Then write byte array to string, and the download status will send to user interface for show on ProgressBar. When finished, it will correct a close string and rename from temp file to store file. If error will return false. If successful, return true. So this vulnerable will try and catch and final. So last process will final if return value true, well, it's successful, and will return, will send broadcast 101. If fail, will send broadcast 102. That is user interface. The button, text view, and progress bar. And a flag for broadcast register and broadcast identify string. The three element UI element. That is for create broadcast receiver. And the broadcast receiver here, or broadcast receiver here, on receive, it will show on text view and show on progress bar if less 100. When this app destroy should unregister the broadcast receive. Okay, now try another case. If subdirectory is empty and delete this file, try it. Okay, that is subdirectory empty. If more subdirectory, okay, try it. Okay, it will create directory one by one and pass here. So synchronize. Okay. Just here. Thank you for watching.